It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas here at the Baking Experiment located in Subang, Jaya. They've got a lineup of artisan bakes and festive treats, so here's what we got. First up, we got the honey pistachio croissant priced at 15 ringgit. This was our personal favorite of the bunch. Inspired by baklava, it's topped with pistachios, and on the inside, you'll find this ooey gooey honey pistachio mess that has a sort of floral flavor. Next up, we got the matcha Oreo cookie priced at 12 ringgit. This is one super indulgent cookie. The matcha was aromatic and earthy, and the Oreos on top added depth with its rich cocoa flavor. However, you might want to try sharing this cookie since it can be a bit overwhelming for some. But if you're a matcha lover, go crazy. We also got the red velvet cookie for 12 ringgit. On the outside is this red velvet flavored cookie, but if you break it open, you'll find a cream cheese center that sort of tasted like a baked cheesecake in texture. We also had to get their seasonal Christmas treats, one of them being the classic gingerbread cookie, priced at 5 ringgit. This spice cookie was crisp and snappy, and in the best way possible, not too sweet. And finally, we got one of Germany's Christmas traditions, their Lipkuchen, priced at 11 ringgit. Compared to the gingerbread cookie, this was more spiced and had a softer, almost cakey texture. To add a bit more Christmas spirit, we actually recommend dipping it in their marshmallow hot chocolate. Overall, the Baking Experiment is one of those places where you can catch up with your friends over a nice meal. It's laid back with a cozy ambience that invites you to unwind.